Welcome to this episode of Mommy Star. It's a super hot day and the world is imploding and the market's crashing, so I thought it was a good day to show you a cleaning hack. We're going to clean some old mugs, and it's really easy and effective and non-toxic, so let's go. I got this mug for my husband when we were first married. So it's really dirty and we've used it a lot, and I'm going to show you how you can take your old favorite mugs and make them new again. You just need baking soda and white vinegar. I always keep a lot of white vinegar in the house because it's so useful, because Easter eggs happen and it's great for cleaning the floors, and it's also great for cleaning your old mugs. I'll use one of my glass teacups so you can watch the reaction. I think you've probably seen this before because maybe your mom has made volcanoes with you when you were a little kid. I don't know. If not, I'll do that with you right now. Ready? You want to see a volcano? Here we go. Baking soda and vinegar. Ready, set, go. Oh, I was hoping it would overflow. Here, there you go. All right, and then basically you do that inside your mug. This is like the most basic video of all time. But it's nice to hang out, isn't it? Now you see why I got my husband this. Okay. And here we go. Oh, and it gets on the counters and nobody cares because it's good for cleaning counters too. And you just take your sponge and scrub. You scrub and scrub. And I'll be sure to show you before and after because it's going to be amazing. Like, I have a lot of mugs and I love them, but they were starting to get gross, so I just tried this and it worked. So I'm going to clean all of them. Hello. Peacock outside? Okay. Alright, so we got the whole kitchen counter clean, and look inside here. Look at that. It's brand new again. I could actually give that to guests. Isn't that lovely? This mug I've had for 10 years, getting stains on it for 10 years, and now it's back to new. Isn't that nice? So go ahead and try it. Wow. That's very nice.